Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and remove the battery. Okay, so this one has two screws holding the display thing, and they're kind of hard to show, but they're behind the display, like they're right here in this difficult to get to corner right there. So I already uncovered one of them. They have a little like rubber coating that you can remove and then get to the screw right here, but it's right there. So you remove those two screws, and then the rest of it just kind of snaps off. Just do that all the way around. Okay, once you've snapped it all out of place, it should just come right off. And there's only two spots for the screws. Everything else just snaps off. Alright, now we just gotta unmount the old display, and that involves removing the screws right here, over here, and there's two in each of the bottom corners. Okay, once you take off those 6 screws there, the display should come right off. This is probably a good time to check the new display. So we gotta detach that little patch of cables that are coming in. So we gotta detach this. Okay, carefully peel this away from the old screen. And attach it to the new one. Okay. Once you get it in there, tape it back down, and then we'll just attach those screws there. Now the old one has the brace that's going to attach it to the back of the laptop here. So we just got to remove this, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 on each side, nothing on the top and the bottom. So you got to remove these. We'll attach them to the new one. Okay, once you've attached these brackets to the display, then you can just screw it back onto the laptop. And then there's the two that are missing on each side at the bottom here. And that's pretty much it. At that point, we just put back the cosmetic thing here, which should snap right back into place. And then we just have the 2 screws at the bottom here. And that's it. Should power it up and make sure.